Hey there, I'm Katie Bavoso here at the Fortinet Cybersecurity Summit 2024 in Toronto. We are on site today and now I am joined by Paul Kerr, CEO of Arctiq. Welcome.
Thanks, Katie. Great to be here.
Thank you, and so good to have you here. So speaking as the CEO of Arctiq, let's talk about your relationship and partnership with Fortinet. Talk to me first of all about how your customer environments are becoming more complex and how is Fortinet assisting you in being able to tackle those challenges for your customers?
So the first part of the question on customer environments becoming more complex, obviously over the last sort of decade and a half, this whole cloud transformation, modernization, automation means customer environments have gotten infinitely more complex and security behind all those things has followed suit. Fortinet's technology and our partnership combined with our managed NOC and firewall offerings, I think really allows us together to seamlessly provide sort of complex, fulsome security solutions for our clients.
Now you took the words right out of my mouth talking about the solution, so I do want to know, how does the Fortinet Engage Partner Program as well as the access to the Fortinet portfolio help you to gain more customers, expand your customer base, and ultimately grow your business at Arctiq?
So I think it's really the breadth of the solution offering from Fortinet. From client side all the way to the back end to the data center of the cloud environment, Fortinet has the breadth of solutions that allow us to sort of one throat to choke. Fortinet and Arctiq solve that problem for a client.
What do you find to be the most valuable aspect of the Fortinet Engage Partner Program?
I think it's really the partnership. Fortinet's obviously always going to know their products better than we will, so it's us coming together, the Fortinet expertise, the training they provide for us, and really the partnership to come together at the client side is really the strength that we see in the partnership.
Last question for you would just be, what does success look like between Fortinet and Arctiq?
Success is really about our clients delivering top-tier security solutions to them. So it's really about our ability to come together as a partner, Fortinet and Arctiq, to deliver those solutions. And so it's all about the partnership in terms of the client.
Thank you so much for your time today, Paul. I hope you enjoy the rest of the event.
Thanks for having me.
Thank you, and thanks to you at home for joining us. To see more from Fortinet Cybersecurity Summit 2024, check out channelinsider.com. Once again, I'm Katie Bavoso, and I'll see you next time.